Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and I wanted to let you know that every Friday at 12 noon Eastern Time, I'm running working from home questions and answers. So this is informal meeting over Zoom. It takes between 15-20 minutes, obviously more if there's more people with more questions, and it happens every Friday. You can find the link to join this webinar underneath this video. And as I mentioned, in this era now, in the coronavirus, everybody's moving their activities online. So more people want to start working online because obviously of this situation as it is. So if you have any questions about starting the side hustle, starting online business, please join the meeting next Friday and the link is below. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.